Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, the bird is a word. Oh, well.
I'm Big Bird Gobblestein, and this is a little good news. Greetings from Texas, where it's still friggin' 70 degrees, and we have no idea what fall actually looks like. Thanksgiving is coming upon us in a few short days. Used to be Thanksgiving was a time for fighting over who ate the drumstick and who got to pull apart the wishbone. But now, it's about shoving the food in and then pursuing the sale ads for the dun 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 Black Friday. Curse you big retail stores for having those wonderful deals that even in a half turkey Como were willing to fight off thousands of people in order to get that tablet for $30. But we're not going to talk about shopping today. No. We're here to talk about the dun 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 turkey! Gobble gobble and the whole shebang, folks. I did a survey on Facebook recently because how else are you going to get data? And I asked the question quickly, white meat or dark meat? And they answered. And as promised, I have a pie graph to show you. As you can see, white meat, dark meat. For those of you not doing the Common Core math, that's a ratio of 2 to 1 for the white meat. I guess you guys like it. In honor of our friend the turkey, we've decided to partake in a lovely sport. Drum roll, please. Turkey bowling. That's right, folks. Getting a frozen turkey and throwing it down a bowling lane at some pins. You need 2 things if you're gonna turkey bowl. Number 1, a husband who is awesome and builds you a turkey bowling lane. That's right. And the second thing you need is this. A little libation to help you with your bowling technique. Don't try this at home, kids. My friend Noni, the one who roped me into manhandling chickens not that long ago, and my daughter Elizabeth were my co-bowlers, and here's how we did.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, babe.
Unfortunately, nobody got a turkey, which is 3 strikes in a row. But my daughter did win by 1 pin. Sad, I know, considering that we were throwing a 3-pound turkey breast down an 8-foot bowling lane at little kid bowling pins. Oh well, it was fun. A few turkey facts for you folks. Only the male turkeys actually make that gobbling sound. Hence, they are called gobblers. Ben Franklin loved the turkey so much, he actually wrote about it in a letter to his daughter, saying that he thought maybe the turkey was even better than the bald eagle. I think not. Sorry, Ben. I don't agree. Turkeys have a 360-degree vision of sight because of where their eyes are set on their head. Go figure, right? And lastly, that gizzard thing, that thing that nobody wants to touch, yeah, that's actually their stomach. No wonder I never wanted to eat that sucker. Ugh. Thank you to livescience.com for the facts. I really appreciate it. The turkey is a good bird, and therefore I, for one, am very excited about the upcoming holiday. Our gold star this week, where's the gold star? Give me the gold star. It's behind you. Prop people. Thank you. Gold star goes to whoever it was who invented the turkey bag. You didn't realize how many turkeys you were going to save, did ya? A lot less stories about Aunt Laura and how the turkey was so dry not even the dog would eat it. Anyway, Gold Star Turkey Bag Maker. Don't know who you are, but thank you anyway. So, we here at AGLN want you to know that we are so thankful for you, our viewers, and hope that all of you have a great Thanksgiving. Please enjoy some cute turkey pics, accompanied by a cute turkey song. And we'll see you in 2 weeks for our next webisode. Have a great day. Gobble, gobble.
Back when Grandpa was little, he lived on a farm. They had chickens, goats, and cows in the barn, but his turkeys were the best of all. Grandpa taught his turkeys to play baseball. Turkey on the mound, turkey double play. Grandpa's turkeys were his favorite team, and his favorite time of year is on Thanksgiving Day. Grandpa's turkey team was an amazing sight. There were you